so scary. I've never had to play this guy before.
3, 2, 1. One door open, totally not a finger kid advances, looking to initiate their game plan to drive Mini Blackadder out of the arena. So far, not able to find purchase with their prongs here as they go flying from Mini Blackadder's horizontal bar right there. Totally not a FingerTech kick, continue to get flipped around. A dangerous position when they're at the edge of the arena right now. Mini Blackadder looking to flip them outside of the cage as well. Totally not a FingerTech kit. Needs to get some leverage and get their prongs underneath Mini Blackadder and try to disable the mobility in order to start dragging them towards the exit. They're continuing to get sent flying though and are dangerously close to the edge. Having to be vigilant not to get ringed out themselves here. Mini Blackadder showing some sturdy defenses and responding to the advances of Totally Not a FingerTech kit with their own signature aggression. Mini Blackadder continuing to bump Totally Not a FingerTech kit around. It just takes one good catch and one skilled piloting maneuver to ring somebody out though. So we'll see how Totally Not a FingerTech kit fares. Remaining mobile with both their wheels still functioning here. And we'll see if we may have a stuck situation for the first time in this match. Timer is paused. We're going to need some human intervention to separate our robots from each other here.
Want me to back up a little bit? Okay.
And there we go. With them separated, we will close and secure the doors, make sure everybody is safe, and resume the match from this position. 1 minute remaining on the clock. Alrighty. Totally Not a FingerTech kit has another minute to get their plan into motion here, and it looks like they're starting to get the angles they need to get their prongs in between Mini Blackadder. Mini Blackadder's bar is still spinning though and continuing to repel Totally Not a FingerTech kit. Attacking from a diagonal so that their wheels fit inside. A super close call there for Totally Not a FingerTech kit.
30 seconds!
Continue to get flipped around here. Mini Blackadder putting on some more moves. But is this the moment that Totally Not a FingerTech kit needs? The bar had stopped spinning for just a moment. That was the opening, but that window closed very quickly as Mini Blackadder got moving once again.
4, 3, 2, 1.
And that's time. We're going to judges' decision here, folks.
Mini Blackadder.
And that goes by unanimous decision to Mini Blackadder!